I'm feeling low.
Good morning, kids. We are back at Hollywood Studios, day 2 on Batu. Well, we're on our way to Batu. There's loud music and all that on Main. It's not Main Street. What is it? I don't know. The Hollywood Boulevard. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. I don't know. I only care about Star Wars. So let's go. We're gonna go to Batu. I just want to do the intro here while we're walking, so I didn't waste any time in Batu. Let's go. All right, Savvy's workshop complete. So what we are going to do, I've decided, since it's daytime now, we are going to do a video about the app. All right, the Disney Play app in Black Spire Outpost turns into a data pad, and it is awesome. So I am going to try to record this, maybe do a little split here, show you exactly what's going on, but I'll go through the essentials of it here. All right, hopefully my screen recorder is working so that I don't have to show you in my hand here, but just to give you an idea, once you go into, in fact, let's start from the beginning. Exit datapad. Once you are in the Disney Play Parks app, you're gonna come here, you're gonna find where you are. Right now we are in Black Spire Outpost. You're gonna hit the play. See, Dorky Dad, that's me. You're gonna confirm, and then that's gonna open up the Star Wars Batu data pad. You start using your data pad. I'm gonna turn on screen effects because it looks cooler. So from here you've got, let's start at the profile. You've got your profile. I can't change mine, I don't know how. My title is Marauder, and I'll show you that in a second, but you can see I have 6,970 credits. Unfortunately, you can't use that in the stores. I've tried, they laughed at me. But titles show up here, and it's based on different things you've done. Right now I'm using Marauder, and that is earned between 6 and 79.99 credits while working for Hondo Inaka, because I'm the best pilot in the galaxy. They have the translator one and the cargo scanner one, and I'm going to show you that here in a second. But from the data pad, you've got your map. It's very much like the Disney Parks map, but more in Star Wars style. It's almost like a 2D map. Or, well, obviously it's on the phone, it's all 2D. But it's more of a old style map. From here you can look for jobs. There is the jobs tab. I am currently working on a job for a rare outfit. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go back to the map and show you that. My phone is having issues at the moment. It doesn't know where I am. But if I zoom out, this blue dot here represents the job that I'm working. I believe I'm standing next to it, but I'm looking for an osteofragmenter for Athgar Hees. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and you see all of these crates here. This is Savvy's workshop. We have all of these crates here, and each of them has one of these QR codes on it. So we are going to hit scan. It's going to bring up the scanner. You're going to initiate scan. Boop, boop. And crate label successfully scanned. Analyze the contents. Now, if it is something secretive, you'll get an encryption status, access denied, and you have to construct the key. And this is a really cool, it's like a puzzle mini game. So you have to select each piece and where you think it should go to make it fit for the puzzle. Then you're going to view manifest, and here we have green kyber crystals. It's not what we're looking for, but it's really cool, so I'm going to put that in my stash.
There's some down here too.
So then we're going to move on to the next crates. Yeah.
How do I do it?
All right, you're going to, where'd we go? You're going to click on this blue thing here. That's going to tell you your job. And hit scan. And then scan. Initiate.
Working? There we go.
There. And then analyze. Access denied. So there's something cool in there. You're going to hit construct. And then it's like a puzzle.
Oh my goodness, I'm so bad at puzzles.
Well, you're doing just fine.
Okay. Access granted. View
View
manifest.
manifest. What we got here? A mouse droid casing, which is cool, but not what we're looking for. So throw that in the stash.
Okay. There's another one down there.
All right, I officially cannot find this crate, which is making me sad because I thought this would be a fun thing to do, and I'm just showing how dumb I am. We're gonna keep looking. I'll let you know if we find it. It's hot. Anyway, so apparently some of the crates were moved around. They don't know if that one's there or not. I don't know. We couldn't find it, so we're gonna move on to the next one. I found one that says outpost control. Help the resistance or the first order gain control of the outpost. We're gonna hit accept. First order's been installing surveillance all over the outpost, and resistance has been trying to stop them. Seems like they're vying over control, but to be honest, it's just been chaos. It all needs to stop. So, what do I need to do? You can slice these panels around the outpost using the hack tool in the data pad. They've got some security measures on them, so you can only, yes. How do we win? Seems like whichever faction controls the majority of the door panels controls the outpost. I've also heard rumor that they'll reward anyone that helps if they win. I'll update your map. All right. So we are going to look for and hack door panels for the first order. All right, so we are installing the surveillance for the first order. 15 credits and faction reputation increased. So that's good. Done. Done. I'm keeping my Marauder title because it's awesome. And I'm the best pilot in the galaxy. I have walked through the Batu marketplace like 5 times now, and it just doesn't ever like, I don't know, it's amazing every time. I see something new, it's just, I'm such a mark for this kind of stuff. I'm sorry, I'm gonna show you more stuff now. Now, I'm not trying to call out the people of Batu here, but the TIE Echelon is right there. And over here, this is very clearly contraband. So it's like they're not even trying to hide it. This is across from the cantina. Shame, people, shame. All right, so last night when we left Oga's Cantina, I said I was gonna come back to this sign and translate, and that is great because of the video that I am doing with the app. One of the great things about your data pad, let me start recording here so I can make this a little bit easier, is it has the translator. So it even includes visual input. So let's see what we've got here. Fluid tanks. I don't think that's it. Warning, this water is not safe to consume for most life forms. Please drink with caution. The water tank is there. The warning is there. I'm still not sure if that's right. So we're gonna manually do this while we're right here. Let's start at the top. Manual input. We've got that, that one, and that one. So let's see. Ores. O-R-E-S. That doesn't make any sense. That one. That one. That one. That one. And that one. Outer. Yeah, see, none of this is what it said with that warning. So it's also 110 degrees, so we're gonna go with the warning for now. I may come back at night and retranslate the whole thing, but it's taking a very long time to manually do that. But just an idea, make sure if you really, truly want the best of the best translation, enter it manually, because it's gonna pick up random stuff. Woo! All right, so I have my Bluetooth on and my location settings set to maximum. It may be because I'm on a Samsung device and not an Apple device, because I know that Disney teams with Apple and prefers Apple. But when I am near a place that I should be, the map actually does not, it's really loud now, does not pick up where I'm at. Like location not found right there, which stinks because I've been looking through some of the features, and for example, the hack one, it will search for nearby, it'll say no hackable items detected. I wanted to do that because you can hack the A-wing and make it, you know, the thrusters go off and things like that. But because it can't pick up my location, even though my location is set to super high and my Bluetooth is on, it's not picking it up. Same thing with tune. You're supposed to be able to tune into local radio towers and pick up transmissions, and no antennas detected because it's not picking up my location. And I'd be like, well, maybe there's nothing right here, but if I go to the map, I'm still getting the error that it can't find my location. Kind of a bummer. Hopefully this will be worked on, at least for Android devices. I'm trying it on my wife's, same thing, but I've got the recorder on my phone, so, you know, just something to keep in mind. Or maybe it's just me, or our Samsung Galaxy S9s. Let us know in the comments, are you having better luck with this? Because it was a great idea, and as you could tell at the beginning, I was super excited to go through and do all this with you guys. However, even though I do have 7,000 credits now because I did hack a couple doors. You saw that one, I already did that. Not the point. Yeah, we're still gonna find stuff to do. We're still gonna have some fun. So we're here on Batu, and one of the really cool things they have is this area here. You can fill up a water bottle. You line that up, you push the button. All right, good, good, good.
You don't even line it up right.
Good, good. These warnings here say warning not safe for consumption by most living beings. So I don't know what they're talking about. It tastes really good. I don't know why it wouldn't be safe. It's delicious. I'm drinking slimy eye water. That's gross. Ugh.